Welcome to 1750 Urunga Parade, West Wollongong. This large 3-bedroom townhouse with timber floating floors through the lounge and dining area, ceiling fans, service from the kitchen and out to your private courtyard. Access at the rear from your double garage. Large kitchen with gas cooktop. Downstairs with separate toilet and basin. Laundry with large linen cupboard. Additional understorage. Plenty of room. And then upstairs to your 3 bedrooms and main bathroom. Juliet balcony. Main bathroom with shower and separate spa bath. First bedroom with ceiling fans and built-in wardrobes. Second bedroom also with ceiling fans and built-in wardrobe. And master bedroom with private balcony. Large walk-in wardrobe. And ensuite. This property is more like a home than a townhouse. Many benefits, being close to public transport, Wollongong Hospital and Wollongong Private Hospital. Ideal for professionals or a young family. Please contact today for a private inspection on this lovely property.